Alright, so today we're going to be shooting this bowling ball with some Tannerite. That orange bag there is our Tannerite. It is 2 pounds. We cut open the bowling ball and drilled some holes in there in order to stick the bag in there so that the force doesn't all just go out to the side. And we added some flour just for the extra effect. So we're gonna go shoot this and see what happens.
I missed.
Did you hit the bag?
I don't know.
Is it there still?
It fell off there.
Oh my goodness.
That time.
Yeah, I saw it.
Problem is, I don't know where the hell this thing's shooting.
Oh shit! Oh shit! That was
Alright, so we had just a little bit of trouble with, we weren't shooting FMJ bullets at first, and we shot 2 bags and they didn't explode. That one's full. That definitely wasn't the one that went off. See, that's what it should look like after it goes off, but I don't know. We're gonna come back out and we'll try another one, and maybe try another bowling ball maybe, and just see if we can get it to explode better. I don't really know. I haven't seen it yet. I don't know how the ball really looks, or if we really exploded the bowling ball or not, but we'll see. Let us know if you want to see anything else blown up.
Smells good. I think we're good. How's it look? Let me see. Is the car okay?
Maybe.
There's a lot of smoke. Where's that from?
Well, no,
Yeah, it smells like shit. Well,
anything look on fire? I don't see anything on fire. Kill it for a minute.
you sure?
I don't know why not?
I guess.
Keep smoking. I don't know what the hell's smoking.
As long as it's not smoking in the engine.
Like it is.
Let's let it cool down for a little bit.
Well, I mean, you're sitting there just redlining it for a minute.
I know, yeah. Let's let it cool down for like a minute or two, and we should be good.